my suggestions. Lately I've been waiting on a few, and I'm counting on my blessings.
Hey y'all, I'm Jen Simone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back if you're returning. We've just arrived at Lumen Fields and we're heading to a football game. Let's go.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Hi you guys, it's the next day. It is Saturday, and we're about to go on a hike. Me and my sister about to hike Poo Poo Point. Never been here. I think it's supposed to be a hard hike, but it's not too long. Online it said it should take us about 3 hours. Like that's average. So assuming I'm less than average, it might take us like 4 or 5 hours. But yeah, let's go. Let's hurry up. Let's go on this hike. We're ready.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry.
I'm sweating so much already, you guys. And we barely started. Disgusting.
Because it's probably 3 total, right?
That's what it said. It said like almost like 3 hours, 40 minutes total.
3 hours and 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Bitch, you doing a good job. 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 Dead. Why am I sweating so much? Actually, it's kind of going away now.
This is my workout for all of September.
We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. That's a nice breeze. Whose idea was this? It was my idea.
And walk right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want
Not at the top yet, but still pretty.
then dip me underway. You can kill me. Hold me till I scream forever.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Yeah. This guy told us that if we kept walking past the little main spot, that there was like a river or a lake or something. But we went downhill for like a good 20 minutes. Didn't see any water. Didn't see any people. So now we're walking all the way back up. So tired. It's okay, we're overachievers. All right, update guys. We missed a turn. Walked in the wrong direction. But I think we're going the right way now. Let's see if there's a view up here.
Right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. Reach right to the bottom of my mountain.
All right, we made it out alive, guys. Online, it says the hike was only 3.8 miles round trip, but it felt much longer than that.
It says 7.2.
It says 7.2 miles?
Round trip, yeah.
Oh, what was I looking at? Okay, I'm glad you looked because that didn't feel right. It was 7.2 miles round trip. And then we also accidentally passed like the other viewpoint and walked an extra 30 minutes, or really hour, because we went down 30 minutes and came back another 30 minutes. So yeah, we probably walked like 8 miles round trip. It took us like 3.5 hours with that extra walk and sitting down and eating food and stuff. So it was a good little hike, and I think it's like 1,700 feet elevation is what I saw. Okay, but we're about to head out and we're about to go get food and get showered up. All right, so we're all cleaned up. Ignore my hair, it's very frizzy. I'm gonna take these out when I get back, but all cleaned up and about to head in to get my toes done because I need a pedicure. I'm super tired though. I might pass out, honestly, while I'm sitting in the chair. I got a matcha though, even though it looks kind of watered down. Like, I don't think they put a lot of matcha in it. Sometimes they be putting more in and it's like super, oh, there's like more on the bottom. Maybe I shake it more. Oh, I just realized I never told you guys, when we were hiking and we were getting down to the bottom, there was like emergency vehicles, and I think like a fire truck and an ambulance. And there were some guys walking up with like a, what do you call those? I don't know. Things to like put people on so you can carry them and stuff. I can't think of the name right now. But yeah, so I think somebody got hurt up there, which is kind of scary. So yeah. Hopefully not. Hopefully, you know, they're just running a drill or something. They were walking very leisurely, but they probably just, you know, I mean, if they get hurt, they can't help people, so they probably have to take their time. And honestly, this is probably like an everyday thing for them, so it was like, whatever, you know, gonna save another person. Anyways, yeah, that was just my first time seeing that on a hike. I'd never seen emergency vehicles and ambulances and stuff. Okay, let's go in for real now. I hope they take me.
Close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Alright, you guys, currently heading to R&B night with my friend. Don't ask me what that is. I think it's just R&B music club. But yeah, I'm so tired. Should take a nap. I don't know what I'm wearing. I'm wearing heels. I'm nervous, but let's go. We're by the Space Needle. It's at McCall Hall. It should be fun though. There's a lot of black people. I'm excited. Look, y'all, Andrew's coming. Andrew's out looking like a hottie McHottison. Chocolate job. Yes. Yes. Yes.
This thing is supposed to be over at like 10:30, but
It is pretty.
And you know, they asked me, what are you bringing to this stage? It's a completely different world. You know, you come from R&B, it was a country stage. And I said, well, actually, R&B and soul music is a foundation of country music. There would be a lot of the other genres. It wouldn't be a lot of those other genres if it was not for black music.
R&B? Let's get a little louder one time. R&B? All right. So now I gotta see who's in the building with us, right? I already found out who came to our show before, and I appreciate y'all. If this is your first time at R&B Only Live, make some noise. So we gotta get y'all acclimated to how we do things around here. It's a very different show, okay? You've never seen a show like this. Number one, we're gonna take you on a journey of R&B, right? Past, present, and the future where this shit is going. We're keeping it alive in this building tonight. So, before we play some music though, we gotta go over some ground rules, okay? Because it's very important y'all don't do the wrong thing while you're in here. Number one, y'all all R&B lovers, y'all all R&B fans. That means that we are R&B family tonight. So I need you to look to your left and look to your right, say what's up to the person next to you. Everybody is so we're gonna be in real form tonight. I'm just letting y'all know.
Hey you guys, so it's the next day. It's much later in the day. It's like 6 p.m. I didn't do anything earlier. But yeah, we're about to head to the fair, picking up friends right now. We're going to the Washington State Fair in Puyallup. And I don't think I talked to you guys after the R&B night, but it was fun. There was a lot of beautiful black people, beautiful black women, beautiful black men. It was a beautiful black night. The setup was a little weird though. It was basically like a DJ on the stage, and we were in the auditorium, and there was chairs, and like it was just a DJ playing R&B music basically. And people were up dancing and stuff, but I feel like it should have been more open, like a club or something. So it was kind of weird, but it was fun. We had fun. But yeah, anyways, we're heading to the fair, and I'll talk to you guys when we get there. No, that's just what he said to me. So I was like, do I have to take anything off?
Guys, say hi.
Oh,
say hi.
Wait, are you vlogging?
Say hi.
Or is this a photo?
It's a vlog.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. When the girl feel murder, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Okay, ready? I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work.
Are you smaller? I don't even know.
Oh my god.
Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets.
Hey y'all. So it's Monday, it's the next day. The fair was really fun. We got elephant ears, and we went on a roller coaster, which I haven't been on a roller coaster, I realized, since like 2017 when I went to Disneyland, I think. So it's been a while. So I was a little bit more scared than I expected to be. And like, you know, I was pretty chill because it was a long line. I wasn't panicking. And then, you know, we were on the roller coaster, and I asked my friend, like, this roller coaster doesn't have any steep drops, does it? Like, because when you're looking at it from the outside, you can't really see any crazy drops or anything. And we get on it, there was definitely steep drops. Like, me and my friend were holding hands at one point, and like, I didn't register it until the ride stopped, and I was like, Liv, was we holding hands? Like, we were both screaming our faces off. My eyes were watering. Like, I'm pretty sure I had my eyes shut at one point, but it was fun. We probably should have went a little bit earlier. We didn't get there till 8, and it closed at 10:30. So yeah, some things started to close down and stuff, and we only got to get on like one ride. But it was fun. We had our little group and walked around and had a little snack, so it was cool. But yeah, that was the Washington State Fair, and I think it's open like the whole month of September, so I think some of my friends are actually going to go back before it ends. And they also have concerts there, so I feel like I need to go back for a concert one day. But it was a good time. Today is Monday, like I said. Haven't really done much, just been working. Went to the grocery store, and we had a taco night because my sister's staying with me, so we had a little taco night, and it was actually good. So yeah, but I was also really hungry. I was starving. But yeah, it's the start of a work week. I'm probably not gonna be doing much else this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
You are so lucky.